Oh boy, today you're in for a treat. We're making slow-cooked short ribs, asado, in barbecue sauce cooked the oven. Take your ribs and cut them into servable portions. Get your skillet good and hot, add oil, and when it starts smoking, put the meat in, fat face down. No offense meant to any of our fluffy friends watching this. Sear for a minute, and then sear on the other side. Remove to an oven-safe dish. Fry garlic and sliced onion and add it to the meat. Note to self, prepare the garlic and onion before you heat the pan. Get your sauce ready. In a bowl add tomato paste, smoked paprika, chicken or beef soup mix, water to fill the bowl, vinegar if you like a tang, garlic, salt, soy sauce. Mix and add sauce to the meat. Make sure the meat is totally immersed in the sauce and cover well with tin foil. This is a slow cook, and we don't want dry meat. Preheat your oven to 120°C, 248°F. Insert dish for 4 hours. The meat melts away in your mouth like butter. Enjoy.